The Sanlam Cape Town Marathon is a marathon that should be done by every single South African at least once.
I've never felt that runner's high, which fascinates me, and I'd love to feel that one day.
It's been my dream to see myself running a Sanlam Cape Town Marathon.
I know that I can run a marathon, even though I've never done it before.
My personal goal on this journey is to break my limits.
We've been chosen by Sanlam to show South Africans how we can reach our personal goals step by step by showing up every day, because consistency creates confidence and confidence creates champions.
I'm feeling a bit excited, and there's also some anxiety as well. I don't know if I'm going to crush my goal or not.
There's been a lot of nerves coming into this morning. I am so happy that this day has finally come.
Feeling excited, it's cold, I don't really know what to expect.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
I'm Kate Murray. I represented South Africa at the Beijing 2008 and London 2012 Olympic Games for triathlon. Yeah, my full-time job is coaching. I love to coach. I'm also a mom of 2 little girls. So my role in the Everyday Runner series is to get them fit, try keep them injury-free, try keep them healthy on this journey, to be able to perform the best on the day. It's always really great to work with athletes that are keen on the journey, and that's half the battle won for a coach. And all 3 of them are very motivated, and I'm really excited.
Coach Kate!
Morning, Coach.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you, Coach.
Nice to see you. Hey. I am Glenda Williams Sekwale. I am from Alberton. I was born in 1978. Okay, so you can do the maths. I run a women's fitness center where the focus is strength training, and it has allowed me to just live out my purpose, which is to be a helper to women. I had a phenomenal time when I ran Sanlam in 2024. Was convinced that everybody has got to run this. That's then the thing that convinced me to bring along my friend Bianca, who happens to be blind and disabled. And I just thought, I've got to expose her to all of this, that is just a wonder.
Cool guys, welcome to the Everyday Runner series. I'm Coach Kate, and I've been assigned to be your personal running coach to make you into marathon champions. Woo! How are you guys all feeling today?
Cold, super excited.
I'm not exactly sure what to expect, but
Ready for anything that comes my way.
How are you doing, Bianca?
Awesome, let's do this thing.
Awesome.
My name is Mike Wright, I'm 29, I'm from Cape Town, and I'm a media person. I work in marketing, advertising, publishing. When it comes to exercise, running makes up most of what I do. I gym a little bit, I do strength work, but yeah, running makes up the most of what I do.
So Mike, tell me, what would finishing a marathon mean to you?
Finishing it would just make me super proud and excited, and the big tick off something I've always wanted to do in my life.
Awesome, now you're going to be great. So Glenda, what brought you to the track today?
just to get your guidance for you to help us achieve this mammoth goal that we've set for ourselves and to run and finish Cape Town Marathon.
Okay, my name is Sibusiso Mthembu, known as Bean Bus, and I'm a founder of a crew named Sunday Crew, promoting running and health around our community. I train 5 times a week. I only rest Mondays and Fridays. Every Wednesdays I do strength trainings. Every Tuesdays I do hill repeats. Then every weekend on Saturday or Sunday I do long runs with the team that I have.
And Beans, tell me, what do you expect from the journey ahead?
I've been a runner for long, but I can see here I'm going to learn a few things and break my limits.
Awesome, I'm excited to help you. Bianca, so tell me, what are your expectations from this journey?
Just to be able to do my best with the wonderful people that I'm with.
Bianca, when she was 21, had a horror car crash. It left her unable to see at all. She is deaf in one ear. It's closing me up. And I would just love to open her world just a little bit more.
So cool, guys. In the next 18 weeks, we're going to be investing in yourself and your bodies to get you to run the Sanlam Cape Town Marathon. Let's get into what we're going to do today.
Okay.
I'm just going to test your baselines to kind of see, where your fitness is at. So today we're just going to start off with a little bit of a warm-up, and then we're going to get into a bit of a 5K time trial.
Nice.
Around this beautiful track, and then we'll do a bit of a cool down after that, and just a bit of a debrief just to see how you found it.
Wow. She's an actual Olympian, and she's here to help me achieve my goal.
Ready, guys?
You guys ready?
Good.
Yes.
Nice.
Let's do this.
My body isn't really feeling like it wants to run right now. So ready to warm up and ready to just take it easy.
So someone like Mike, you can really push through this journey. Bianca and Glenda, they obviously have a different challenge to the other two athletes. Glenda's pushing Bianca, and that's a special journey for both of them. Beans is quite an accomplished runner. He's run a lot of marathons this year. In terms of, pushing him, I'm going to have to push him to keep training hard and to make sure that he goes beyond the steady eddy. Each athlete has, different environments in which they train, different circumstances. So I'm taking that into account and just trying to be a good guide for them on this journey, which I'm really excited about.
Done.
Well done.
Guys. Kate says we're doing the 5K. I'm thinking, yes, let's do this.
I'm feeling a little bit nervous because I've never done a time trial before.
I'm not feeling too strong. I'm feeling a bit stiff. Feeling a bit behind on sleep.
And let's go, guys. So our runners are currently running a 5-kilometer time trial. I'm kind of using it as a baseline to check we call it their zones. So from this time trial, I'll be able to understand, what their threshold zone is. I'll be able to tell them at what paces they should be running going forward. Obviously, as they get fitter, their 5K will improve, and then we'll have to adapt it again. It's important to understand where the athlete is at, and then to build from there.
Go Glenda, go Bianca, looking strong. Go Beans.
This is the start of our journey, and it's a really exciting journey, and I'm really looking forward to the rest of the weeks with the athletes and making sure that they have the best race that they can have. There will be days where they're not keen to get out of bed. They're not keen to go and do, the training that I've set for them. And those are the days that are going to matter. Awesome, guys. So well done on your 5-kilometer time trial. Every marathon journey starts with the first step, and we've done it.
Nice.
So now we've got your baselines to work off. So Mike, you ended up running just over 23 minutes. So we're looking at averaging, we call it our threshold pace, and you're probably going to be averaging around a 4:35 in training for threshold pace. Beans, you managed just under 25 minutes, just under that 5 minutes, okay. Is kind of your threshold effort. Glenda, obviously you guys are working together. For you, we're kind of looking at averaging around the 8 minutes per kilometer. And then I think when you're running by yourself, you're probably looking at running around that 6.5 minutes per kilometer. As we're investing in your running journey, Sanlam's also going to be here investing with you guys. And I'm going to hand over to my friend Vera, who's going to take the reins from here and explain to you the next journey that we're taking you guys on.
Hey Vera.
Welcome, Vera!
Woo! Mike, Beans, Glenda, as well as Bianca. I'm absolutely thrilled to be amongst you guys on this journey of unlocking what could potentially be your financial freedom as you guys soar into becoming marathon champions. Now, before we all started, you were all asked to open a special Sanlam Marathon account. Now, you're the only 3 people in South Africa with the special Sanlam account to be supported in the Everyday Runner series. And the good news is that we're starting you guys off with 5,000 rand. There is a disclaimer. On your journey to the Sanlam Cape Town Marathon, you will need to hit 3 personalized fitness goals set by Kate. Growing your money and training for a marathon both follow key financial principles like consistency, momentum, and of course, compounding. For each goal you hit, your money will increase by a certain percentage. Not only that though, but it will compound, meaning it will increase on top of the increase. But just like financial markets, inconsistency can erode value over time. So if you don't hit your goals, you don't qualify for an increase. The more you train, the more you gain. So Beans, Glenda, Mike, this is it from me for now. I'll see you next time. And when I do see you next time, we'll do a little teaser from a financial education point of view. But I'll also know Kate has got something to share with you, and I think there is a surprise in what Kate is about to share.
The next time I see you guys, we're going to be joined by an Olympic gold medalist.
Oh my. The Olympic medalist. Ew. Very, very excited. All I want to do is run a lap with them and then wipe some of their sweat on my legs. You know, whatever the juice is that's coming out of them, just on my legs. And yeah.
Well done today. We're going to finish off with just 2 laps, and then I'll see you guys next time.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you, Coach.
Guys, what an awesome day it has been. The final brief from Coach Kate is that we need to cheers these bottles at the end of the marathon when we're done to celebrate the journey we are going to be on. And she said that we must sign the bottles just to make it extra special.
Yes.
Good luck.
And good luck.
You got this.
You got this. Never give up.
I hope I don't get injured, and I hope I can actually finish this marathon.
Being consistent in training and following the programs will make you 100% fit.
You can do this. Consistency creates confidence.
As our champions begin their journeys,
There is no better time for you to take the first step.
Find out how you can unlock the power of every day and start your journey to confidence in running and in life.